everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the crazy cat lady here. How's everyone doing? I'm a little chilly. I'm keeping warm in my Trisha Payas sweatshirt. I love it. And I have something new to show you. Again, Nickelodeon box. I got this box. I can't wait to show it to you all. And this is the 90s box. I mean, I was more of an 80s girl, but I still like the 90s stuff because I graduated in 88. Oh, so I'm all excited to show you all these products and everything. So let's me open this crate up. This is so cute. I love the packaging. Oh my god, look at how adorable this packaging is. Look at how cute. Look at. Love this packaging. I'm so excited about this box. And with this box, it has everything. And I hope I'm not disappointed like the last box. So let's go in and do the first thing. I got, oh, this is so cute. The Rugrats Nickelodeon open ornament set to put on your Christmas tree. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. I love these. These are so adorable. So, and then we have, oh my god, he's so cute. A vinyl figure. Look at, he is so cute. He's pink. He looks like he's ice skating or snowboarding. He's snowboarding. That is so freaking cute. Look at him. Oh, I love him. Let's take him out to show you all. Oh, I just ripped the box. Vinyl figure. You can't really see it good in the package, so I have to take him out. Look at how cute. Isn't he adorable? Do you like him, Noah? So cute. I love this guy. I'll put him back in here just in case. I'll give him to Noah because Noah, he loves all this stuff even if he's not a 90s baby. Oh, I just kind of ripped it a little, but actually I'm going to do a... Okay, anyways. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's see what this is. Now, this is a 2X sweatshirt. And it has this guy in it. I don't know what this is about, who he is. Comment below on what this character is. But I got this nice sweatshirt for myself so I can be cozy and warm in the winter. Really like this. Just comment below what this is because I really don't know. So maybe you were a 90s child and you know these cute little things. This character. So okay, I got that. And I got Ren and Stumpy magnetic set. So it's all these little magnets. So let's take these out to show you what they are. Really, oh, look at all these cute little magnets to make, I guess, you can make pictures with these. Look at, they're all magnets. Oh, this is cute. And all these little, they're all kinds of magnets. You can put like clothes on this guy. Really cute. Like, oh, you can like it's decorate, make a scene. So you can like do this, put like a outfit on them. So that's a cute thing, like that. Oh, this is so cute. Double Dare, a Double Dare scarf. Oh my God, with the slime.
Yes, that's me.
Oh, double dare,
Yeah,
double
that's
dare.
what I was looking
Double
at.
dare scarf. Oh,
No,
I
don't
love
get
it.
your body.
He likes it. Noah, I gotta give you get a picture of you wearing that. He was looking at that, eyeing that. And this is, what is this? Nickelodeon Presents. Looks like pins or something. And no, what are you returning my book? You don't wear scarves.
I wear scarves now.
Okay. Oh, this is so cute. It looks like a little ticket. And oh, look at alligators. I love this. Look at. Tell me below, what character is this? Really, really cute. Oh my God! So far, this box is blowing my mind. I love it. Look at how cute. I love these alligator things. Look at how cute. Tell me what character he is, where he's from. Is he from, oh, Raptor. Oh, the Raptor. Okay, Raptor. Look at how cute. Love it.
Can I have it?
Oh,
Ticket pins, ticket pins, ticket pins.
I love pens.
Yes.
Pins.
Give me it.
He's stealing it from me. All right, and I got the Emperor's New Joe. I got a ceramic mug. Definitely, I'm gonna be using this. Definitely, I'm gonna be using this. So far, this is blowing my mind. This is well worth the money I paid. I think it's even better than the Cat Lady box, to be honest. Oh my God, look at how cute. Let me get all this stuff off. This is the Calf Chameleon show. Oh my God, look at how cute. Get all this stuff off. Look at, I love it. I can drink my coffee in it. Calf Chameleon. I never heard of it, but if you know it, you'll know what I'm talking. See? Calf Chameleon. This is cute. And I'm wondering if it's dishwasher safe. Hand wash only. And do not microwave. But I love it. It's so cute. And then I got these heavy, like, bookend set. It's cat and dog bookend set. Oh, okay. Let me get this open. I'm really loving everything, honestly. These are heavy too. I really love the box too. I love everything. This is definitely blowing my mind. Okay, okay, these are metal bookends. Oh, okay, and it has like, oh, a dog. A dog. That's one. And this is, I don't know if this is the dog or just the cat. Oh, these are both dog. It's called cat and dog, so I got bookends. These are so cute. Oh, I guess you could, these just like for decorative, like bookends. Really, really cute. So these are bookends. Really adorable. I love this. Really, everything blew my mind out of the water. I really loved everything. Couldn't ask for better products, and I wanted to do it because you got, you know, maybe there's some young 90s kids, but young adults out there that know all this stuff. So I grew up mainly in the 80s. I graduated in 88. So I don't know all these. I know Rent and Stumpy. I know the Rugrats. I know certain ones, but some of these new ones I don't know. The Nick exclusive box, but I don't know this, if this is just like, if this is from a show or not. This this guy here. So I definitely would like to know what this guy or symbols from a show, or, but I love this. This is a nice cozy sweatshirt. I definitely love it. So I hope you enjoyed this Nickelodeon box, and I'm telling you, it's well worth the money. It's the same price as my Cat Lady box, so I'll link it below. But I really, and it comes 3 times a year, so you're not every month have to pay for it. It's something big and something awesome just 3 times a year. Like winter, this is the winter one. Winter, spring, summer, fall. So, or actually 4 times a year. I don't know. I think I got the 3 month. I think I only get for 3 months, but that's okay because it is expensive, and I do like all the cute stuff in it. So I definitely can't afford to be spending 40 bucks a month like I did with the Cat Lady box. But I really enjoy. These are cute bookends, actually. Really, I want to make downstairs, whatever I get from boxes, I'm going to be making my little office filming studio downstairs. Eventually, with putting my makeup stuff down there, and just filming down there. So, so I'm not in the way of anything. The only, oh, what happened here? This looks like it got all beat up. The heck? The heck happened to this one? This looks like it got all beat up, and it was wrapped too. That's weird. It almost looks like, look at this. And it's like, it looks all like, I don't know if you could see it, like beat up here. Weird, but that's okay. They're just fun bookends, so I'll just rewrap them. And I'm happy with this. So I hope everybody, like I said, enjoyed this. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that like button. And thank you all for being here and supporting me. And remember to be yourself, love yourself, and have a happy day. Love you, and see you on the next one.